may be wondering what's in this big old box right here. Well, you'll just have to find out.
No. Go cut yourself. Seriously.
Sounds like a tape gun. All right. Oh, I've been waiting on free candy. Happy New Gear Day. Somebody signed it. Jamie. Was double checked, and your package was carefully double checked and packaged by Jamie, and some free candy. And another box. It's a box in a box.
Anybody know what that? Does anybody know what that logo is? What's the logo? Not you. Think anybody?
Comment down below.
Comment. What's the logo?
Oh my! How many boxes? Oh wait, I thought that.
It's just loose. Hold on to that. All right.
Yeah, boy. I like box. Alright, you are most likely wondering what this big thing was. Well, it was a Fender guitar.
Fender guitar.
Fender.
Don't drop it on the concrete before you even play it.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, that is nice.
Golly. That's a nice guitar. Alright. I think it came with a kit. Oh my gosh, that's a nice acoustic.
Fender acoustic left hand, right?
Left hand.
What you gonna do with it? You gonna make a video playing soon?
Yep.
We're gonna do Coulter Wall music soon, when you can learn them chords.
We'll put a description of the song in.
And write our own song.
Right?
You can write a song, can't you?
We can get Kyle and Jeremy to help us.
Nah, we can do it. All right. You reckon it's tuned?
Sounds a little, I don't know. Probably need to tune it.
Yeah. All right.
There we go. Whoop. What about this?
Is that good? All right, sit down and play a chord. That's an E minor?
Yeah, E minor.
Yeah, it needs tuning. All right. Close this out.
Well, that's it. It's a beauty. Bye.